side. We're out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I. I've been flipping pages since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place, so take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I never wanna say. I stand my ground. I need to be who I'm meant to be. Yeah, I don't see it any other way. I know I gotta keep the faith.
This is the sauce that I made for the dumplings.
The cayenne pepper.
And there's sweet chili and then the sweet and sour sauce.
That looks like a burrata.
Extra large. Ooh, it's really hot.
Yeah. Into the dip we go.
This is this, and you're just. These are jumbo.
Whew.
Those are the ones I took out last.
Good.
That's sweet chili. That was sweet chili sauce.
Good soup.
Okay, now dumpling. Let's try it in this sauce. It's a little bit spicy.
It's on your face, but it's not on my face.
Good soup.
Have a look-see though. Yum yum. What is this?
They can't even see you eating it. What's the point of eating it? You can pick it up, or the sauce up if you want. It's good.
Hello. Very good.
Goodbye.
Take a chance on